I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is an answer to the question of whether the Fitbit Sense is waterproof. So here's my Fitbit Sense smartwatch. Let's wake up the screen. Okay, working properly. Let's go ahead and put it under some water. Still works fine. The answer is yes, it is waterproof. Let's submerge it totally though, just so we can prove this once and for all. Let's fill this up. Okay, Fitbit Sense here. Let's get the screen up again. We'll just submerge that in some water. And I'm going to activate this with the side button. And everything is good. So I wear this every day. I wear it in the shower. Wear it if I go swimming. Been wearing it for about 3 or 4 months now, and submerging it, getting wet every single day. And it does work fine despite that. One thing I would say is before you put it back on, if you do get it wet, try to dry it off because you don't want to have that water trapped between the band and your skin. Otherwise, it is waterproof. It's only waterproof down to a particular depth, so you don't want to take it scuba diving necessarily, but for basic swimming or just showering, taking a bath, that kind of thing, or washing your hands, no problem at all. Totally waterproof.